Let's learn how to divide the number 69 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 6. We know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this number 9 here. And we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left, so we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. So we will put 1 0 here, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 69 divided by 2 is equal to 34.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.